So you mentioned you started getting into more work with large language models with clients. How has the rise of large language models changed your view on MLOps? Do you have to build entirely new infrastructure, or how are you helping clients navigate deploying large language models at scale to do AI tasks?
Yeah. So from the DevOps world to the MLOps world, everyone was like, isn't MLOps just DevOps? But with machine learning, it adds a complexity of like, in addition to just your code and maybe infrastructure, there's also the added complexity of your data and your model. And now moving into the LLM world, where all of those concerns are still valid, your data is still an issue. You have like different models and you have different code and infrastructure that you have to version and you have to keep track of lineage. And quite a lot of software engineering fundamentals are still the same. But with the LLM world, it's almost entirely changed how we want to think about APIs and the payload and the deterministic or non-deterministicness of these models. Before, it feels more like machine learning models are more outside of typical business processes. So it could be like a recommender system or a fall detection model. It's quite a ring fence thing. But with generative AI, almost every software product is adding like, summarization or just personalization, and lots of different bits are becoming embedded into typical software world. So the complexity of that almost increased a little bit, but at the same time, a lot of the similarities with fundamentals are still staying the same. So at least for us, it's been quite fortunate that we've invested quite a lot of time in building up MLOps competency. So we have really good a foundation for data, infra, and code tracking. But with the LLM side, there has been like lots of different iterations that we have to check with different prompts, different LLM providers. Latency has becoming also a really big issue. And the different security requirements going out to different LLM providers has also becoming quite a big challenge.